Many people want to start a YouTube channel, online business, or personal branding, but they feel uncomfortable showing their face on camera. Maybe you are a camera shy, maybe you value privacy, or maybe you simply don't want your identity to be public. The good news is you absolutely can build a strong brand without showing your face. In this video, I will explain how you can do it step by step in a simple and practical way. Building a brand without showing your face is not about hiding. It is about building trust in different ways. Instead of your face becoming the main focus, your content, your voice, your design, and your value become the focus. But before that, welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and tech so you can grow smarter. If you want more practical guide like this, make sure to subscribe this channel and also check the link from description for the tools and platforms that can help you to build your brand without showing your face. If you use these links, any available bonus or special offer will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. The first thing you need is a clear niche. When you are not showing your face, clarity becomes even more important. You must be very specific about who you help and what problem you solve. For example, instead of talking about business, focus on helping freelancers to get clients. Instead of tech, focus on AI tools for beginners. The clearer your niche, the stronger your brand identity. Next, build a strong visual identity. Since people will not see your face, your logo, colors, fonts, and thumbnails become your visual personality. Choose one or two main colors and use them everywhere. Keep your design style consistent across YouTube, Instagram, or your website. Over time, people will recognize your content just by the style. Another strategy is to use text-based or animation-style videos. You can create slideshow videos, whiteboard animation, or simple motion graphics. Platforms like Canva or other animation tools make it easier than ever. The key is clarity and value, not complicated editing. Voice is another very powerful thing. You can build your authority by the voiceover videos. Many successful creators use simple screen recording with voice explanation. You can record tutorials, reviews, or educational content while showing your screen. Tools like Canva help you to create professional visuals, thumbnails, and presentations without design experience. Another strategy is to use text-based or animation-based style videos. You should also focus on a strong content structure. When you are not showing your face, your script and explanation must be clear and engaging. Start with the strong hook, explain the problem, give practical steps, and end with a simple summary. When your information is helpful, it is easy to understand. People don't care whether they see the face or not. Another important element is building trust. You can do this by showing results, sharing case studies, or explaining real examples. For instance, you are teaching SEO, you can show the analytics results on screen. If you are teaching online income strategies, show proof of the tools or dashboards because transparency builds the credibility. Consistency is also critical. A brand is built over time. Upload regularly, use same style, repeat your message clearly. Over time, people will associate with your channel name, your voice, and your content style with value. You can also build a brand around a concept instead of a person. Think about the channel that focus on education, finance, or tech tips where the brand name is stronger than the creator's identity. Your brand can represent a mission, for example, helping beginners earn online, simplifying tech, or reviewing tools honestly. Social media can also support your faceless brand. You can post carousels, short tips, infographics, and screen recordings. Platform like Instagram and YouTube allows creator to grow using the educational and value-driven content without always being on camera. Finally, remember this, people follow the value, not faces. A face can help with connection, but it is not required. Clear communication, useful information, and consistency are much more important. So, if you have been waiting because you feel shy or unsure, don't let that stop you. Choose your niche, build a clean visual style, create helpful content, and stay consistent. That is how you build a strong brand without ever showing your face. I hope this guide helped you to feel more confident about starting. If it did, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Easy Access Tech for more videos like this, and also check the link from description for the helpful resources. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.